channel. Today we are going to make a breakfast pot pie. I got this from another channel, another large family channel, and I thought it looked interesting, so we're going to make this. You can go ahead and preheat your oven to 375, and let's get started. So we're going to take a 9x13 baking dish and we're going to spray it with some spray. And I am following the other YouTuber's recipe, but not completely. You need some grains of biscuits. You need to mash them flat and put them in the bottom of your pan. All right, let me move this aside and show you what to do next. Cook some pork sausage. You probably could do bacon and crumble it too. That would probably be a good little change. 1 pound tube of the ground pork sausage. I've already cooked it. It's not completely, there may be a little few pieces in here, but it's gonna cook in the oven, so it should be fine. And I drained it. I soft scrambled some eggs. This is about, I can't remember, I want to say 8 eggs. I didn't add milk or anything to them. Some salt and pepper, that's about it. So we're going to mix this in too. We're going to put gravy with this. You can make your own, but Walmart has this. Let's see if you can see it. And I'm just going to, I only had like a can of it. Okay, so we'll pull this back. And like I said, I cooked the scrambled eggs just a little bit underdone, so they'll finish cooking in the oven. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna take some cheddar cheese and we're gonna sprinkle over this. Put more cheese on one end than the other because my husband doesn't like it. So I should have remembered that first, huh? All right, so these are the butter flavored grains. So I'm gonna put these on here, and instead of brushing some butter on, we're just gonna use these. But if you don't have those, the best thing for you to do is to melt just a couple tablespoons of butter and you're gonna brush it on the top. So we're going to bake this until it's hot and bubbly and the biscuits are done. It's probably going to be about close to 45 minutes. 350 to 375 should be your oven temp. And I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I did end up having to tint it with foil. And the good reason to use the glass bakeware is you can actually take a peek underneath the pan to see if the biscuits on the bottom have cooked, because after about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, they were not. So it will take the full 45. Just make sure that you kind of just lay a piece of foil over it when you see that the biscuits are as brown as you want them to be. And everything else turned out fine. It was 375 degrees for 45 minutes. So I had forgot if it was 350 or 375, but it was 375. And you can use more biscuits if you want, like I showed you, but it's not necessary. We are going to make hash brown patty casserole. So, first thing you need to do is you're going to purchase these little things. We call them potato cakes. And you're going to crisp them up in your skillet. And you're going to place them in this pan. You can cut them if you need to get them to fit. I just laid the extra in there. You don't have to do that. This is a 9x13, and I used 7 potato cakes cut up. They're called hash brown patties. Some people know them as that. So I've already sprayed my 9x13 pan. I've already got those crispy, and I've already got them cut into the pan, and I've set that aside. You can go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees as well. So while you're cooking the breakfast sausage, you're going to add bell pepper and onion. And you're going to cook that with it.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago. Hey.
We're going to go ahead and add some seasoning. You're going to need some garlic powder. I'm going to put about a teaspoon, which is going to be double what's in the recipe. So be mindful of that. And about a teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm just going to salt and pepper to taste. We can always add more when we serve. So you need to cook this until the sausage is done and the vegetables are soft.
I wish I could wipe my own memory.
The sausage and vegetable mixture is done. I've got it set aside. You need to crack 5 eggs, a cup of milk in a bowl. Mix it together. We're going to pull our baking dish over here to us. It's got our potato cakes in it. So you're only going to put part of your cheese on this. It says 3/4 of a cup. I'm going to try to do half and half for this, but we can use, you know, more since we doubled the recipe. Just depends on you. Okay. And the next thing that we're going to put is the meat mixture on top of the cheese.
Written in stone. Let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence is so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
Okay, we're going to spread that out. Make sure that your oven is preheated to 400. And we're going to go ahead and put the egg milk mixture over the top. And you're going to put some cheese on top. Okay, you're going to bake this uncovered for about 25 minutes, but I'm keeping on it so that the cheese doesn't burn. And if it does, you need to put some foil over top of it, let it get finished cooking. Cheese needs to be melted and the eggs need to be cooked, and it'll be ready to go. I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is the end product for our hash brown patty casserole. It cooks perfectly. It did fine. It smells great. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. I'll see y'all next time.